My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Angel don come out come show her fans why she and Soma come back together, and also fans don come out to come drag Sheggz over Bella. So of recent, Bella do get ready with me, and as she dey do that particular stuff, people come dey hear her say she too fine, say Sheggz no suppose dey with somebody like Bella, say Bella too clean for Sheggz. So the statement wey be say dem make wey catch the public eye na dis particular statement wey the person say the first person here say dis Bella babe too fine, God knows dis wannabe Lagos big boy Sheggz doesn't deserve her. Another person come quote dat tweet come say she's even bigger than the boy, I'm surprised why she's still with him. Na Sheggz now una dey call wannabe boy. Na wow for BBN fans. The way BBN fans dey take dey downgrade people for online, especially their fave, other people fave and everything, wey dey say dey downgrade dem, na im dey make most of all these celebrities dey wan dey live fake life. Imagine dey go dey online dey tell person talk say the person no deserve to be with another person, whereas some of dem never fit stay for 1 year relationship since dey come dis life. Dey never fit maintain 1 year relationship. To me, Sheggz and Bella dey complement each other. Bella fine, she big for her own side. Sheggz on the other hand big for her own side. Sheggz family no be small person for Lagos. So I no know why a lot of people wey be say no even get the slightest clue of who the boy be, go just dey drop rubbish opinion online. Unto Soma and Angel, we know say two of them dey break up before, they come back. I no know whether na break up, I no know whether they dey use us play or something, but two of them don come back together. And since before they even break up sef, Angel don dey show us some kind belle baby bomb abi na wetin. Dey show us say she want, dey give us small hints. So this particular video wey be say she drop, wey be say she dey salon dey do her hair, the way she take add weight for here, people come dey say it's like true she don get belle. And if una check her tummy well, you go see say the thing big, we don turn womb washers already. So na so people come dey comment, come dey say I swear she's pregnant. Another one say, oh, is that a baby bomb? The tummy and nose screaming preggy glow. Another one say Soma gonna be a father. The next one say my baby is pregnant, lip glow is available. The last person say my lovely girl Angel. The truth be say Angel actually look preggy for this particular video. When I first see the video, I shock. I say, e fit be say this girl actually dey pregnant, because she don dey use scope dey tell us since all this while say something dey sup for that side. So if na really true, na big congratulations to the both of them. You know say sometimes when woman dey do ras, or man no put her ras, but Angel no dey ras. Now say woman wey be say sabi do babati, you go think to say she no go fit make a good mother, but you go see say once Angel get pikin, you go see say a lot of things might change for her life. So I dey wish she and Soma well. Una take care, una bye.